Hey everybody, welcome back for another meme review. Alright, so yesterday I evidently mixed up Ryan Cooper's meme with Jason Nisbet's, and he got very upset about that. I hurt his feelings. So he sent me this meme, which will be our meme of the day. When Mr. Costanzo mixes up who sent what meme for the 8,764th time. That's a little hurtful. We've only been out of school 2 weeks. How could I have possibly mixed it up that many times? Although I may have. I don't know. I know you guys think I'm a genius, but I'm not. I'm fallible. I'm going to make mistakes, so I can own up to it. Alright, my disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined. I don't know who this is. He's eating Popeye's chicken with a poorly tied knot for his tie. Not sure who this is, but I love the meme. I love it. I'm sorry I ruined your day, and that your disappointment is immeasurable, but I am a crusher of dreams, as I've been told in previous memes as well. So I love this one. Just tens all the way around. It's about me, so that automatically helps out your score. So excellent meme, Jason. Again, I apologize. Have a good day.